have them all cut out. The first thing I'm gonna do is use my glue gun and go right along here with my glue gun. And then I'm going to put these two pieces together. And if your fingers are not used to being burned like mine, you're going to be more careful about this. I do not mind being burned anymore. I've gotten totally used to it. And I'm going to put some glue on the inside in here just to make sure that it stays. I'll do the same over here. You can smear it wherever you want. You're not going to see it. It's on the inside. Not dry yet. All right, dry enough for the video. So our top. This is our little lid. It goes on top, of course. I'm gonna put some right here and right here. And then, sorry, I need to do it this way. I want to glue it right around my edges. Whatever way is easiest. If it's easiest to you to go the opposite, put it on the other way, like the glue on the hat part, or the whatever this is, round lid. Whatever way is easiest. And I'm going to glue some more right here. I'm going to round my little guy, scoopy off my extra glues. And because it's vinyl, you can scoop off your glue later too. After it dries, you don't have to do it while it's hot. And if you want, you can glue inside to make sure it's extra sturdy. Just peel this down, go right around my edge, and make sure he stays rounded. And I need another glue stick soon. Oh, right now. Not now. Really? All right. Back again. Glue around the edge. And I'm doing it a little quick because nobody wants to sit here for 2 hours watching my video. So you want to let it dry in between and pull all your strings off, of course. So my hat is done on that. And then we're going to move to this. Glue stick, stay in. And I'm going to go all the way around. Sorry, I'm trying to get out of the way. Oopsie, that was a big glob. All the way around. And hat on. You can see it's glued underneath there. You can glue extra if you want to shove your glue gun in there, however you want to do it. I think it's dry enough. So we have our little bunny. His little ears go through the top, and that one goes through the top. Slide on down. Oh, you want to make sure your glue is dry. Mine was not. And there you go. Thanks, guys.